Hi, first grade. Happy Friday. We have been working very hard with adjectives this week. This week we used lots of adjectives for color and adjectives for quantity in our writing to make our writing so much more interesting. So some of the colors that we used in our writing, we used pink, brown, orange, red, black, purple, blue, green. There are many more color words that we can use for adjectives, but these are just some of the few that we talked about. We also talked about adjectives for quantity. Remember, that's how many or how much of something there is. It could also be a number. So some of the adjectives for quantity that we talked about are one, more, less, some, few, much, a lot, three, many. Actually, any number would be an adjective for quantity. So today I'm going to show you a picture, and I want you to write a sentence using an adjective for color and an adjective for quantity. Does that sound hard? Well, it isn't. I'm going to show you just how easy it's going to be. All right, so what do you see on my table? You see apples, right? All right, so let's describe these apples. Let's see. Let's see. How many apples do I have? 3, that's right. I have 1, 2, 3. Ooh, can we describe them with a color adjective, maybe? Yes, we can use the word red. I have 3 red apples. See how much more interesting that sentence is than just saying, I have apples? That's kind of boring, right? So when we say I have 3 red apples, that's easier to picture in your mind when you're reading. You can picture 3 red apples in your mind, right? So when you write your sentence, you're going to use an adjective for quantity and an adjective for color. And I want you to underline them both. But I'm going to give you the picture to use. So here is the picture that you're going to use to write your 2 sentences using adjectives for color and adjectives for quantity. So let's look at this picture for just a minute. So what do you see in this picture? So your sentence stem might start with, I see a yellow sun. A is a quantity adjective. I see 2 white clouds. I see 2 purple tires. Okay, so you are going to get to write 2 sentences about this picture using an adjective for quantity and an adjective for color. And then you're going to underline both of the adjectives. And you're going to take a picture and turn it into your teacher. Make sure you have a capital letter and a period at the beginning of both sentences, and make sure you underline both adjectives in each sentence. Remember, you've got to have 2 sentences, 2 adjectives in each sentence. Okay, let's go back and look at Miss Fisher's real quick and see what you need to do with your sentences. Now, you're going to be using the picture that I gave you to look at to write 2 sentences. You're going to say, I see blank blank. Remember, you need to tell me an amount, a quantity adjective, how many, and what color. I see 3 red what? So then you're going to write your object after the color. I see 4 purple what? So you're going to add your object after the color. So this is the amount. This is the color. And this is your object. So your adjective for quantity goes first. I see 3 red apples. Okay? Or I see 1 what do you see one of in that picture? Oh, yellow sun. It's Friday, guys. So I see 2 purple tires. Okay? So whichever objects you want to choose from that picture is fine with me. Just make sure you have a quantity adjective, a color adjective, and then you include the name of the object with your capital letter and your period at the end. Don't forget to take a picture and upload it to your Google Classroom. Have a great weekend. Bye.